Hey, I'm Emily Frame. Before we start, make sure you follow my OFTV channel and my OnlyFans. I've got more builds, more cars, and a lot of more fun. Today, I'm building the one of the most legendary car ever, the Ferrari F40. It came out in the late 80s and it was the last Ferrari approved by Enzo Ferrari himself. Raw, fast, no compromises. And today, I'm bringing it to life, brick to brick, with my own hand. Let's begin! You're not just building a shape, you're building attitude. And the F40, it's sharp like a blade. Inside, it's all simple, no comfort, just speed. And once the wheels are on, it's not just a model anymore. It's ready to roll. In 1987, it cost around $400,000. Today, it's priceless because it isn't just a car, it's a symbol. I'm taking it with me. Ferrari, don't wait. Want more stories like this? More builds like this? Follow me on my OFTV. And if you want the behind the scenes, you know where to find me, my OnlyFans page. And hey, in the next video, we're building another iconic car. Don't miss it.